Hello. Today I will show you how to add a new partition to your computer after adding new SSD memory. Step 1. Open Disk Management. Press Windows plus X and select Disk Management from the menu that appears. Alternatively, press the Windows key, type Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions, and press Enter. Step 2. Find unallocated space or create it. If you already have unallocated space on your disk, proceed to Step 3. If there is no unallocated space, you need to shrink an existing partition to create unallocated space. Find the partition you want to shrink. Right-click on it and select Shrink Volume. In the window that appears, enter the amount of space you want to free up for the new partition and click Shrink. Step 3. Create a new partition. Find the unallocated space in Disk Management. Right-click on the unallocated space and select New Simple Volume. In the New Simple Volume wizard window, click Next. Step 4. Specify the size of the new partition. Enter the desired amount of space for the new partition, or leave it at the default to use all the unallocated space. Click Next. Step 5. Assign a drive letter. Choose a drive letter for the new partition from the drop-down menu. Click Next. Step 6. Format the new partition. Select Format this volume with the following settings. Enter the following settings. File system, NTFS, default. Allocation unit size, default. Volume label. Enter a name for the new partition. For example, new volume. Check Perform a quick format. Click Next. Step 7. Complete the process. Review your settings and click Finish to create the new partition. After completing these steps, the new partition will be created and formatted. You can see and use it in File Explorer under the new drive letter you assigned. Congratulations, you now have a new partition. In the newly opened window, right-click and select Properties. There you will see the newly formatted volume. Thank you for joining me. If you enjoyed the content, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more updates. Your support means a lot and helps me create more amazing content for you. Goodbye until next time.